1, 2. Oh, woo! Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. Today we will do some experiments and try and also open so much drinks. It will be cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where is my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's an original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, it's cool. Where's my Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, it's Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How I can open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. Oh, the purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. Two thumbs, zero sugar. It's the orange one, it's the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola, so big. 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have a Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And we'll add Mentos. 1, 2. Oh. Woo! What? Yes. It was cola and Mentos. Yes. And now we will add the soda, white soda. Open, and it's a very interesting experience. And let's go. Yeah, a very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos, guys. Please subscribe and like me, and also you can watch another videos, and I will wait you. Bye bye. 1, 2. Oh, woo! Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. Today we will do some experiments and try also open so much drinks. It will be cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where's my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, it's cool. Where's my Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, it's Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How I can open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. 2 tums, 0 sugar. The orange one, the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola. So big, 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have a Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And when we add Mentos, 1, 2. Oh, woo! What? Yes, it was cola and Mentos. Yes. And now we will add the soda, white soda. Open, and it's a very interesting experience. And let's go! Yeah, a very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos, guys. Please subscribe and like me, and also you can watch other videos, and I will wait you. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. Today we'll do some experiments and try also open so much drinks, including cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where's my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, it's cool. Where's my Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How can I open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. In purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. 2 tums, 0 sugar. The orange one, the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola. So big, 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have a Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And when we add Mentos, 1, 2. Oh, woo! What? Yes, it was cola and Mentos. Yes. And now we will add the soda, white soda. Open, and it's a very interesting experience. And let's go! Yeah, a very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos, guys. Please subscribe and like me, and also you can watch other videos, and I will wait you. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. Today we'll do some experiments and try also open so much drinks, including cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where's my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, it's cool. Where's my Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How can I open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. In purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. 2 tums, 0 sugar. The orange one, the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola. So big, 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have a Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And when we add Mentos, 1, 2. Oh, woo! What? Yes, it was cola and Mentos. Yes. And now we will add soda, white soda. Open, and it's a very interesting experience. And let's go! Yeah, a very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos, guys. Please subscribe and like me, and also watch other videos, and I will wait you. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to my show. Today we'll do some experiments and try also open so much drinks, including cola, fruit style, Fanta, Pepsi, so much. Where's my cola? Give me my cola. Yes, it's original classic cola. Let's open. Oh, so tasty. Yes, cool. Where's Sprite? Give me Sprite. Yes, Sprite. In the green color. Let's open. Oh, what was it? How can I open? No, it doesn't open. Maybe this one. Yes. It's a purple Fanta. In purple color. Chupa Chups orange. Let's open. Oh, good sound. A very good sound. 2 tums, 0 sugar. The orange one, the yellow one. I will try the first time. And now I want a very big cola. I want to add Mentos to cola. Let's do this. Yes, it's a very big cola. So big, 2 liters cola. Oh yes. And also I have Mentos. Let's open. Oh. And when we add Mentos, 1, 2. Oh, woo! What? Yes, it was cola and Mentos. Yes. And now we will add soda, white soda. Open, and it's a very interesting experience. And let's go! Yeah, very beautiful and cool reaction. Thank you for videos, guys. Please subscribe and like me, also watch other videos, and I will wait you. Bye bye. Yes.